How to cancel a reservation on Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel your reservation on Expedia, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel your reservation on Expedia, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Expedia application that you can find over here. Once you launch the Expedia app, let's say that you have booked a specific reservation and you've made a reservation, you've booked a place, you've booked some flights, and now you want to cancel those reservations. It is relatively very simple to do so. After you launch the app, you can just tap the trips option that you can find here. Once you tap the trips option, you're going to be able to see all of the sorts of trips, reservations, and bookings that you've basically made on the Expedia application. And let's say that you would like to delete a specific one, you can go ahead and select them and then cancel those respectively. Now, other times of that, when you are not being able to cancel it because it is past the cancellation period, in that case you can just contact the customer support team by just tapping the chats option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the chat icon, it is going to ask you and connect you with the virtual agent, and whereas you can just let them know that you want to cancel your reservation that you've made, and then you should be good to go from there onwards. This way you can go ahead and then cancel your reservation on Expedia. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.